Hey friends, Neil at WindowEffects down here in Andrew, North Carolina. Just going to show you how we can remove a door panel on the newer model Tahoes or Suburbans super quick. So instead of trying to two-stage it, we can bottom load it. You can take this door panel off, I'm guessing in probably about 30 seconds. So I'm going to start my meta glasses video. So you just get a pick tool right back in there. All right, and then right down here is a little tab. Those are the only two things I need to take out. And we got a 7mm here. 5 screws. There's 2 on the bottom. 1 there. 1 there. That's it. And I'm going to grab the front. Get my fingers in there. Kind of wiggle. Pull up. I'm going to hold the door panel kind of with my body when I pull this out. And I'm going to look on the sides and line those clips up. It's enough to kind of hit that bottom back on to hold it on. And that's it. Another little trick here, if you hold this button in for 7 seconds, it'll keep the power on while you tint the windows. Okay, so we might as well take you through the whole process of tinting this window. So let me get my door cover right here. All right, we're gonna tuck this over. This is from Mike Sanchez and Dirty Tools. I bought it off him and just get it printed on by my print guy myself. All right, you can either razor blade this or scrubby pad it, but I'm going to use a razor blade. A little Stanley razor blade holder. Ooh, there's been tint on here before. I can see it back in there. Andrew, this thing's been tinted before. So we can see it down in there. I felt it with my razor blade. Those would be good for the video. Show you how to clean the glue out of the sides. Notice when I'm cleaning this, I'm overlapping this thing 50%. I want to get all the soap water off. I'm going to get this tool down here. Make sure I get all the glue out of the sides. Because there's been glue on here, I want to probably scrubby pad this window just to make sure it's extra clean. Clean that out down there. You can see the glue down in there. Just because it's been tinted before, I'm going to scrubby pad it also because my goal is to get it as clean as possible. Right here, I ordered these on Amazon as like a, I don't even know, but it comes in like a, probably a 20 pack or something. Just to make sure we got all the glue off of this thing. And sometimes a little speck of glue could get caught on your razor blade, on that little razor blade. Especially you want to get it out of this little decal. Squeegee that off. I'll make sure I'm wiping it off each time. Back pulling it 50%. My goal is to get all the soap water off. That window before I install it. Should be totally clean. I'm flushing any bit of dirt that would be on there, flushing it down the window. I don't want to just spray the window, I want to flush it down. All right, spray that on there to cut down the static. Put my hands like 1/3 and 1/3 of the window, and before I get all the way to the bottom, I take my fingers off of it. I'm going to drop my elbow sideways, spin that hand around. All right, my goal is to get the bottom, front, the bottom like 1/3 in here. Slide it in, and I can tuck in the back. Now while I'm holding my hand up, I can just touch that window down. That way I don't touch this back corner here. We're putting on Johnson's Marathon 20% to match the back. All right, got enough soap water. This window slides a little bit, but I'm holding it with my hand right here. Line it up as close as possible. We're going to get the heat gun. Right here, I bought this and put this on. I put this in some videos. This thing locks this in. The best thing ever on Amazon. I think these are plug locker. It's a great purchase. What I'm doing now is heating up this window so my top edge doesn't move. So I'm just going to heat up a couple pockets. Knowing what type of tint you have on here determines how hard you can hold it in one spot. You know, if that was a cheap tint, you hold it in too long, it'll start bubbling and burn the film. It's a good 20%. Whoops. Drop the heat gun. And that's why you buy them $25 ones, $30 ones. Ooh, glad I wiped that off before I touched it, because in the pouch it felt like a little pebble on there. So you want to always be cleaning your squeegee off. That's locked in there good. Finish that down. Notice the 50% overlap that I'm doing so I don't miss any spots. I'm going to work that bottom. You don't have to heat shrink the window if you bottom load it. That's it. All right, so hold this back, keeping my leg here so it doesn't fall off when I do that. Okay, so we're just gonna drop this down in there, drop it down the back one, grab the door panel. I'm gonna drop this right here. This groove right here drops down in there, so you need to kind of angle the door and just drop it in. Lines right up. Put my 5 screws in. Make it super easy, much easier than trying to 2-stage that window. Like I said, this is 7 mil. This one's got that on high. I need to turn that down for a damn blow through a door. There we go. And this just drops in there, and this just clip just kind of pushes right back in. Super easy. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more trips and tips and for more tips. And yeah, we'll see you for the next one. We're about to do a brand new Tundra. Show you how to do the front 2 on that.